Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max in the color gold. Now, I've had my current phone. This is an iPhone 7 Plus. I've had this for a while now. I've had it since 2016 and I've not had any issues with this phone at all. The only issue I started to have with this phone is the lack of space when it comes to taking videos or when it comes to taking pictures, and so I decided to get a new phone with more space on it. And so we're going to be unboxing that iPhone Pro Max right here. So this is the box it came in, and I did already open it so that I could see what came with the box. So here's the phone, and we're going to be unboxing it today. And here is the charger, because these do not come with chargers. You have to buy them. You have to buy the charger separately. We're going to be unboxing both the phone and the charger. So there it is, guys. Look how beautiful this phone is. Just looking at it, you just want to hold it. You want to touch the phone. It feels heavy, but in a good way. It is just an awesome phone. My previous phone was in the color gold, and so I decided, why not carry on the legacy and just buy this new phone in the gold color. And I think I made a great decision because I really love it. Now the phone comes with a charging cable or a USB cable, but you will have to buy the charging block separately. And then you also have a little booklet in the case or in the box, and it has a SIM card opener. It also has some information you need to know about the phone, and it has the Apple logo. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max 5G with an internal memory of 256 gigabyte. It is 6.7 inches. It is water resistant, and it has a front-facing camera and rear-facing camera, both in 12 megapixels. And now it's time to unmask the phone, and then we're going to turn it on and set it up. Now the usage time, our video playback is up to 28 hours. Video playback streams up to 25 hours, and audio playback of up to 95 hours. Now that's amazing. So it also comes with the USB-C to Lightning cable, or you can decide to go with the MagSafe wireless charging standard that I showed you earlier. It also has Siri, and the keyboard type for this phone is touchscreen. So now the phone is on. You're going to see these different languages of hello on the screen, so you can just swipe up and start with the setting of the phone. So once you swipe it up, it will ask you for your language and to select your country, and then it will give you a quick start option. And once you do that, it's going to ask you to enter a password for your Wi-Fi. And once you do that, it's going to ask you to start setting up your facial or face ID for you to be able to unlock your phone. So once you set the password, it's going to tell you it's going to take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. And once that's done, then you're going to get that setting for your face ID, to create that password for your phone and get it to work how you want it to work. So I'm just playing around it to just kind of figure out this phone, the little ins and outs, just so I could find my way around this phone. So eventually everything was done and I was welcomed to the iPhone 13 Pro Max family. So that is what it looks like. I really love this phone already, and it's really giving me a lot of things to like about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me unboxing this phone. Until next time, it is goodbye and see you in my next video.